हेलो फ्रेंड्स, संडे एकेडमी को आपण मानक स्वागत। आज आम आरआरबी एनटीपीसी एंड आरआरबी ग्रुप डी रो ट्रेडिशनल जीके रे हिस्ट्री रो पार्ट 5 आम डिस्कशन करबा। या पूर्व आम 2200 आरंभ करके गांधीयन इरा पर्यटन जाइलु कि गांधीयन इरा पुणी आम टे बैक करूँ मिडिएवल हिस्ट्री को। कहीं मिडिएवल हिस्ट्री बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अच्छी। गांधीयन इरा मो लास्ट जो परीक्षा आपण आरआरबी एनटीपीसी कि ग्रुप डी रो नोटिफिकेशन आसी लास्ट मोमेंट को मुझे किसी पार्ट जो इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट गुड़ा डिस्कसन करी किंतु एबे किसी सेटा आवश्यक नहीं किंतु एबे जोड़ा मिडिएवल हिस्ट्री ताको इंपोर्टेंट दरकार अछि। ठीक अछि, हम स्टार्ट करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, dash attacked the southern coast of Kathiawad along the Arabian Sea where he sacked the city of the Somnath and its renowned Hindu temple in 1026. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad of Ghazni, Ahmad Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad Ghori. Answer number B, Muhammad of Ghazni. Sultan Muhammad of Ghazni attacked India 17 times in order to plunder the wealth of the country. It was the first Turkish invasion in the country. He raided the Somnath temple on the coast of the Kathiawad in the year 1025 AD and the temple was destroyed in the year 1026 AD. Second question, Muhammad Ghori was defeated by a dash ruler in 1191. Chauhan, Chalukya, Garhwal, Maurya. Answer by Chauhan. Prithviraj II was a German ruler. He defeated Sultan Muhammad Ghori in 1191, but Prithviraj was defeated by Ghori in 1192. Question 3. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori in a battle in the year dash but lost to him the following year 1176, 1191, 1163, 1182. Answer by 1191. In the first battle of Tehran 1191, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori. In the second battle of Tehran 1192, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. Question 4. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori in a battle in the year dash but lost him the following year 1176, 1191, 1163, 1182. And answer will be. Question number 5. Which of the following Indian ruler was defeated by Muhammad Ghazni in his first attack in the year 1000 AD? Chandrapala, Anandpala, Jayapala, Sukpala. Answer number 6, Jayapala. Jayapala was the famous ruler from the Hindustani dynasty which extended from the Punjab to Kabul. He ruled the Hindu Shahi kingdom from 964 to 101 CE. He was defeated by Muhammad Ghazni 997 to 1030 in the Ghazni's first attack in the year 1000 AD. Who attacked Somnath temple of Gujarat? Jalaluddin Khilji, Ibrahim Lodi, Abraham Shah Durrani, Muhammad of Ghazni. Answer of D, Muhammad of Ghazni. Sultan Muhammad of Ghazni regularly invaded the northwestern region of India, looted the wealth and went back to his kingdom. In the year 1025 CE, he attacked the famous Somnath temple that is located in Gujarat. Question number 7. The first invention of Muhammad Ghori was in dash when he attacked Multan 1089 AD, 1475 AD, 1175 AD, 1287 AD. Answer number C, 1175 AD. Muhammad Ghori was an ambitious leader. His invention in India were conquest of Multan and Sindh 1175-1178. The first invention of Muhammad Ghori was in 1175 AD when he was attacked Multan, defeated the ruling Islamian heretics and successfully in the capturing Multan. Question 8. The second battle of Tehran was fought in the year 1345 AD, 1294 AD, 1079 AD, 1192 AD. Answer of D, 1192 AD. The second battle of Tehran was fought between the Ghurid army led by the Muhammad Ghori and the Rajput Jahmanans, and they are allied, led by the Prithviraj Chauhan in 1192. The battle saw the defeat of the Rajput, opening the North Indian to future invasion and domination by the Turkish tribes. Question number 9. Queen Naki Devi is remembered as the woman who defeated the Taz in 1178 C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Muhammad al-Barki, al-Salid, Muhammad Ghori. Answer about D. Muhammad Ghori. Queen Naki Devi is remembered as the woman who defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1178 C. This victory is chronicled by local Hindu as well as Muslim chronicles. Naki Devi was Solanki queen. Question 10. Which of the following Governor General introduced the code which provided for the separation of revenue administration from the judicial administration? Lord Wellesley, Lord Cornwallis, William Bentinck, Warren Hastings. Answer B. Lord Cornwallis. Cornwallis Code 1793 was introduced by the Governor General Lord Cornwallis. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ସଣ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀର ISOS ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଯେଉଁଟାକି UPSC OPSC CS ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ୍ ହୋଇଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ପ୍ରିଲିମ୍ସ ମେନ୍ସ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ରହିବ ଡ୍ୟୁରେସନ୍ 1 year। ସବିଶେଷ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଉପରେ ଦୁଇଟା ନମ୍ବର କନେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ। ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି 6 ମନ୍ଥରେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜବ୍ କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ SSC OSSC ଏବଂ OSSC ହାଇବ୍ରିଡ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରହିଛି ଡ୍ୟୁରେସନ୍ ଦେବେ 6 ମନ୍ଥ। ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ OSSCର ପାଖାପାଖି ଯେଉଁ ନ୍ୟୁ ଭ୍ୟାକେନ୍ସି ବାହାରିବ ଏବଂ OSSC ଏବଂ OSSC ଯେଉଁ 40,000 ଭ୍ୟାକେନ୍ସି ବାହାରୁଛି ସେଟା ଆପଣମାନେ 6 ମନ୍ଥରେ କୋର୍ସଟିକୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ତେଣୁ ଉପରେ ଦେଇଥିବା ନମ୍ବର ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କଲେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଏବଂ ଅଫିସ୍ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ତଳେ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆପଣ ଅଫିସ୍ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଯିବା ଆମେ which of the following Indian ruler was defeated by the Muhammad Ghazni in his first attack in year 101 AD? Anandpal, Chandrapal, Jaipal, Sukhpal. Answer to C. Jaipal. Jaipala was a famous ruler from Hindustan dynasty which extended from Punjab to Kabul. He ruled the Hindu Sikh kingdom from 964 to 101 C. He was defeated by the Muhammad Ghazni 997 to 1030 in Ghazni's first attack in the year 1080. Muhammad Ghori attacked Tabrahind Batinda in 1911, a strategic point for Dash. Maharana Pratap Singh, Hemachandra Vikramaditya, Prithviraj Chauhan, Rana Kumbha. Answer of C. Prithviraj Chauhan. In 1911, Muhammad Ghori attacked and captured Batinda in the part of the Prithviraj Chauhan. This led Muhammad to come into a direct clash with Prithviraj Chauhan, one of the most powerful Rajput rulers. It is known as the First Battle of Tehran. Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori fought the Battle of Dash, Talikota, Chanderi, Chausa, Tehran. Answer about Tehran. Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori fought the Battle of Tehran. Okay. Question number 14. Who among the following had invented India 712 AD? Muhammad bin Qasim, Qutbuddin Aibak, Muhammad Ghazni, Muhammad Ghori. Answer by Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim was the first Muslim to invent India in 712 AD and was the commander of the Udayyam Caliphate. In 711 C, Arab general Dash conquered Sindh, which became the part of the Caliph's domain. Qutbuddin Aibak, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Qasim, Muhammad Ghori. Answer of C. Muhammad bin Qasim. In 711 C, Arab general Muhammad Qasim conquered the Sindh province. It was the first Arabic viceroy victory in India, and it led to the foundation for the Arab invasion in India. Next question. Who among the following built the first European fort in India in year 1503? Dutch, British, French, Portuguese. Answer for Portuguese. In 1503, Portuguese viceroy Alfonso de Albuquerque built the first European fort in India, Fort Enamuel. In 1500, the Portuguese navigator Pedro Alves Cabral established the first European settlement in India, Kochi. Who was the Mughal emperor at the time of Battle of Plassey? Alamgir II, Sirajuddaula, Mir Qasim, Shah Alam II. Answer of A, Alamgir II. Alamgir II was the Mughal emperor at the time of the Battle of Plassey. Alamgir II was the Mughal emperor of India from 3rd June 1754 to 29 November 1759. Who introduced Charbagh style of architecture in India? Mughals, Rajput, Mauryas, Maratha. Answer of A, Mughals. Charbagh style was brought to India by Mughals. Charbagh is a Persian style garden layout in which the main building is put in the center of the quadrilateral garden divided by the walkways of the overflowing water into 4 smaller parts. Who among the following was popularly known as the Parrot of India? Tansen, Ibn Battuta, Amir Khusro, Jainuddin Baruni. Answer of C, Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro, whose original name was Amir Khusro Dahlavi, was an immensely popular Indian Sufi singer and also a poet. He was born in Patiala and grew up to be the called Parrot of India. He also earned the titles of Father of Urdu Literature and Voice of the India. ଏହା ସବୁ ମନେ ରଖିବେ ମାନେ ଅମିର ଖୁସରୋ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ ପ୍ୟାରଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି, ଫାଦର ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଉର୍ଦୁ ଲିଟରେଚର ବି ଅଛି, ଭଏସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ବି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଟାଇଟଲ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ତ ମନେ ରଖିବ ଟିକେ। Last question, the city of Viceroy Fatehpur Sikri in India was built during the glorious region of the Mughals. Jaipur, Bidar, Aligarh, Agra. Answer of ଆପଣଙ୍କ D, Agra. The city of Viceroy Fatehpur Sikri in Agra was built during the glorious region of Mughals. Fatehpur Sikri is a small city of northern India just west of Agra, founded by the 16th century Mughal emperor. ये अच्छे आम संडे एकाडेमी आईएएस ओएस बैच जोटा कि यूपीएससी ओपीएससी सीएस फाउंडेशन दि जाऊँगी प्रीलिम्स मेंस इंटरव्यू ड्यूरेशन 1 ईयर आप डिटेल्स जाना चाहते पर एटा नंबर कनेक्ट करेंगे सेमती आप 6 मंथ जो कौन गोटे गवर्नमेंट जॉब क्रैक करना चाहते एसएससी और एसएससी और एसएससी हाइब्रिड बैच नहीं पारे जोटा कि आपको एसएससी किसी जो वैकेंसी आगक आसूसी एसएससी और एसएससी 40,000 वैकेंसी आसूसी से सब आप प्रिपरेशन करेंगे 6 मंथ गोटे जॉब क्रैक करेंगे आपने ऊपर ये नंबर कनेक्ट करेंगे तो आप ऑफिस आडे जाकि विजिट करेंगे। आज क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है द दृश्य कला एग्जिबिशन हेड एट द रेड फोर्ट showcased the artwork from dash till India's independence 11th century 12th century 16th century 10th century आपण माने क्वेश्चन आंसर आपण माने सर्च करिके आपण माने कमेंट सेक्शन में दियंतु आ जदी आपण आंसर देबे जदी से क्वेश्चन आपण आंसर ठीक लागला आपण गोटे हार्ट सिंबल आपण माने जानबे आपण आंसर ठीक रही छी तेणु ये रहिला आज रो क्वेश्चंस आ क्वेश्चन चैनल टी को प्लीज टिके लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करंतु निज निज सांग मान को शेयर करंतु आ सेमाने मध्ये क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडा जानछन ना नै से आंसर टिके डिस्कशन भी करंतु ठीक अछि आ एमिति हमर अपकमिंग ईयर में डांस रो जो पार्ट छाडी देलु स्टैटिक जगह सेटा हम कंटिन्यू करबो आ स्टैटिक जगह प्राय त आपण इंटरव्यू में प्राय मैक्सिमम निज कवर हे ट्रेडिशनल भी कवर हे जीएस जो क्वेश्चन रही छी सिना पर आपण एग्जाम में पढिबो नंबर 0 टे जानतो एटी जा क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन होची पूरा रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन होनी तेणु प्लीज टिके लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।